Okay, so what you do is that you have to click on the folder or the link you want to create your folder inside. So just select it, let's click on it, right click, and go to new. And these are the places we can also, so we will learn how to create this view database. And for now, you're going to create the shapefile. So click on the shapefile. Now, what we are going to create is a polygon. So you have this type, you have the point, you have the lines, you have the polygons. So you're going to create the polygon. So just choose the polygon one. Now you have to specify the coordinate system of the shapefile you're going to create so that when you overlay them, it will just fall at the exact place. So here you have to go to edit, then now choose the zone. So we are using the UTM zone 18. So I choose UTM zone 18, then OK. And I press what? OK again here. So now I have my shapefile being created. It has been added to the table of contents. So I can just change the name here. So what I'll do is I'll just soft click on the top here, then give it a name. Let's say LS Island. Okay. So after that, you're going to use edit. The edit tool is what we're going to use to digitize our area. So you can just click here, click here and go to edit features, and you can click on start editing, and automatically the edit tool will appear. But if it's not there, what you can do is you can just click here, click here for these tools. Then you have to make sure that the edit tool is being checked, or you can just go to the customize the toolbars, and these tools will appear. Then you choose edit. Okay. So after the edit tool has appeared here, you have to start editing to be able to digitize the area. So you click on the drop down here and click on start editing. Then you choose Ellis Island. Then go to continue. After starting editing, now we have started editing. So just go to this place, the tools options here. Then you click on, you look for create features, or a tool called create features. So you click on that one, and it will appear at the corner here. So you have create features. Then we select the Ellis Island. Then the construction tools will appear down here. Yes, boss. Then the construction tools appear down here. So I'll just select the polygon tool. Now this symbol will appear. I can start digitizing my area. So if you want to show only the boundaries, or if you want to if you want the also the filled color to appear, make sure that you come here. You can see that the small rectangle here is filled with the orange color. But I want to use only the
Yeah.
boundaries, so I'll just click here. Then the fill color here, I'll say no color. Then the outline width, I'll increase it to 2. And the outline color, I'll just change it. Then okay. Now I can start digitizing. So I'll just left click here. So this is my line. I'll go here. Here's a straight line. I'm going straight this way. Going straight. Here to straight. I'll come here. I'll come here. I'll come here. So we'll be ending at this place. So if we click here, you can just double click and it will just end it. So now you're having the boundaries of the area. So after digitizing, you just go to edit again, then you save edit, then now you stop edit. So this is the outline. So if you want to apply the fill area, you can just apply fill color, then just show the fill color. If you want to see all the boundary to the same process, then you have the boundary color. So that's the boundary of the shapefile we are having. And we're dealing with the circuit areas. So I want us to use the tools here so that you will know how to go about with the circular edges. So I want to create a shapefile of this area here. So what I'll do is that I'll just go here, then start edit again. I want to apply to the same island, continue. Then I'll go here, select create features, select Iceland polygon. Then now I'll just come here. So I'll start my polygon from here. I'll come here. Yo, cool. I'll go come. It's loading, so this is the Ghana. Uh, so this is the Ghana district shapefiles, and you're going to use the queries to extract the various parts of this shapefile. So this one is a complete shapefile containing the shapefiles of also districts and regions of that particular shapefile. And you can download this shapefiles also online, or for any other country you want to download the shapefile. So for this one, first, anytime you load in a shapefile, you just have to go and open the attribute table and look at the information inside that particular shapefile. So you can see that we have a region containing the regions of that particular country. We have the district, we have the area, and we have the district code. So we are interested in the regions and the district. So let's say we want to extract northern region from this complete shapefile. So what you have to do is that we have ways of extraction. So you're going to use select by attribute to extract those boundaries. So what you have to do is that you have to open the area or that attribute table, then locate. You can say that all the regions are under the column of what region. So under the column of region, we can get our northern region from it. Then you close it. Now you go to selection, Then you go to select by attribute. Now make sure that the layer here is selecting that particular layer you want to extract some part from it. That's the 2016 district. Now from that we want to select an area under the region of what? Region. So this is the region. So these are all the columns of those of that shapefile. So you select the region. So double click on the region, then it will appear here. Then here you click on equal to. So click on the equal to, then you click on get unique values. This one will send you to, or will show you the content or whatever is inside that particular column. So if you want to just search it here, you can just type nothing. So as you start typing nothing, it will appear automatically on the other form. You can see nothing region here, so just double click on it. Then click on apply. So you can see that the nothing region part of the whole shapefile has been highlighted. Then you click on OK. Now we have highlighted the area, but you have not selected it from it. You want to create a different shapefile for only that nothing region separately. So now you have selected this place. Just go to this place again and click on it. Then you go to selection. Then now you come down here, you will see create layer from selected features.
Yes.
Click on it. Now you have created a new layer from that selected feature. So now if I turn off this one, I can see that I'm only seeing the northern region appearing. So I can also change the name here. So just select, then let's click again. That's a soft click. So I can just give it a name, northern region. Okay. So that's for northern region. So now I can also open the attribute table of the northern region. So now inside the northern region, can also have the district inside the northern region. So let's say uh, I want to extract the district of Tatale from the northern region. So just go to the same process. So you just have to go to selection, select by attribute because we want to select from the attribute table. Now we are done with the region. So you're going to deal with the what? The district. So now I have to come here, double click on the district, then click on equal to, then I'll select get unique values. So click here and all the district will appear. Then I can just scroll and look for Tatale, or I can just point here TATA. So it has appeared here. So double click and it will appear here. Then just click on apply. Where is it? Where is it? Let me see. Okay, it's not appearing because I forgot to change this place. So here I have to change and choose the what? The northern region. Yes, because I'm no longer dealing with the the 2016 district. So I choose
Yeah.
the northern region. Now assign the district equal to get unique values. Now can just select totally, then apply, then apply. So you can see that now it has selected now. Just click
Yeah.
on OK. Now I have selected the area. Now I have to create a layer for only that portion. So I just have to select the northern region, then go to selection, then select create layer from selected feature. So just create a layer, different layer. So you can see that created a different layer for me. Let's give it a name, data layer. So if I turn on this one, I can see that I'm only seeing data layer from that whole shapefile.
Yeah.
That's how we extract. That's how we extract a shapefile from a group of shapefiles.
Very fast. Okay.
Then let's say, so if you want to deselect the area here, can just come here, clear selected feature. We just click on clear selected feature, then the selection will be gone. You can also select here by using the selection tool here to select a feature, and it will select.
Okay.
Okay. Now you're going to create a symbology for this one. So meaning they're going to give it like each district a color. So what I have to do is that I'll just select the whole region and click go to properties. Now inside the properties, I can give it I can show the names of these areas by going to the label. So if I go to the label, now this one is the whole region. So now if you use the region as the label for, meaning that all the areas here will be indicated with what the region name. So I can
Yeah.
just take here and click on apply. You can see that all the region here have been shown northern region, northern region. But
Yeah.
these ones are only districts. So I just have to
Yes.
change the label for to district. Now I can just apply. So now I'm seeing the district or the names of the district showing in their particular boundary. So I want to give different colors to these regions. So I just have to go to symbology, then I'll go to categories, then I'll choose, I want to use the district, so I'll choose add all values. So now to give a different colors to all the districts. Can also change the color ramp from here,
Yeah.
then choose, let's say, this one or any of your choice. So apply, then okay. So now I'm having the various districts having the different colors with their names appearing. Okay. So and then another thing you're going to do is that you're going to add a layout to this map, and let's say do a complete map. So you just have to go to the down here layout view, put it in a layout view like this. And the layout view you can also change it to be either in a landscape or portrait or any size I want my map to be. So you can just go to file, then go to page and print setup. Then here you can just choose the size you want. So either A3, A4, A5, any type you need. So let's say I'm going to buy A4. If you want it in landscape, you can just choose, let's say, landscape. Then, okay. So let's say I want mine in landscape. Then make sure it be in the frame. Something like this. Okay. Something like this. Now, I want to show, let's say, the whole region as well to be in the same map. So what I'll do is that I have to add a new data frame. So I have to go to this place, insert, then I'll add data frame. Now I've added a new data frame here. So now this new data frame will hold, let's say, the whole of Ghana. So you can see that down here we're having that new data frame here. So I can just select here and drag it down here to come to the new data frame. So you can see that I'm having the new data frame at the top here. I can also bring the northern region I've selected here also to the top here. Now it's being appeared here. So can just right click here, then tell the label features off.
Mm.
Can also add another new data frame, something like this. And this one, let's say this one will hold the total area. So this one is total boundary. So I'll just have to bring the total down here. Now I can just move it the center here, then expand it like this. So you can see we're having different data frames having different map features. So if you want to view any of them in the data view, you have to select this one, then click on the data view. Then you can see that only this one is showing. If you want to view another portion of the data frame or a new data frame, you have to come to the layout view, select this data frame, then you come to the data view. You can see that you are seeing the data frame 2. If you want to view the data frame 3, go to the layout view, select data view 3, then you come to the data view. Then we are only seeing the total area.
Yeah.
So that's how you can work in the multiple of data frames. And the data frames, you can also control the boundaries of the data frame. I can say that, oh, I don't want this data frame to show, or the boundaries of this one to show. So I just select this one, right click on it, go to properties. Now you go to data frame on the top here. Um, let's go to data frame. Frame, yes, sure, frame. So go to frame, you see the border here. Now you can choose none, then apply. You can see that this one there's no boundary there. Now I want to
Yeah.
show that I want to show that this one is coming from here. So sometimes you see some maps, you see they have used some lines to
Yeah.
show that that's the area. So you can just go to the drawing tool if it is not there. Right, click on the top here, make sure the drawing tool is being checked. And now click here, choose line. Then I can just draw from here to the top here, and then like from here to the down here. You can also show the totally also from here to the top here, then from here to this place. Then you can add the other features. You go to edit. If you want to add legend or not error, so not error, I just stretch. I want to add, let's say, escape bar. I'll choose any of them. You can now can also show the grid coordinate of that particular frame. So you can go to view, data frame properties, then you go to grid and add a new grid. Now, if you want to use lat longs, you have to go to for the graphical. If you want to go for, let's say, the projected coordinate, you have to use the measured grid. So let's go for graphical for the first time. The next, you want to show only the labels only, so take the all the labels only, and there's the intervals. Then go to next, then next for this one, then finish, then let's apply. So you can see that the coordinates are here, but they are small.
Yeah.
So let's give them some weight and size. So you go to the properties, then you increase the size from, let's say, to 12, then add bold it. You can see these ones, I want them to lie side by side. So I'll just choose for them to lie left and right. So I just apply to it. Okay, apply this one to it. So you can see now they are all showing at the boundaries. So now we are having our map now. So do you have any question with it or anything you would like me to go over it so that you can grasp it well?
Everything is okay.
Is that
It's good. Yeah.
okay? Okay, okay. So now we are having a complete map now. So what I would like you to go and do is that let me show you one place you can download. I hope you said you are not having save fast for your place because in the class they said they closed the site, the website you were using, right?
Yeah. So it was just like a book, and it has like already installed information on the desktop. So we were just following the book and then creating maps.
Oh,
So I don't have access to data and then also the class anymore.
okay. So you can download the save fast of your area. So just go to a new website, type Diva GIS, So Diva GIS, then click on the first option. So you go to the country level shapefast. So you select a particular country you want to download the shapefast. So let's say you want to download that of United States. So just choose United States. Then the subject. So here you can download the inland of that particular area. You can download the road network of that particular, the road shapefast of that particular area. You can download the administrative areas of that particular area, the railroads of that particular area, the regulations, the land use, land cover area, the population, then the gazetteer of that particular area. So I would like you to download the administrative areas of United States and also download the roads of United States as well as the railway routes of the United States and also the inland water. So one, two, three, four. I hope you get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So download this place by going to this website. Now you create a map like this.
Okay.
Yes, but this one is only having the polygons. But if you download this shape fast, if you download this shape fast, so you're downloading the administrative areas, the inland, the roads, and the railways. So you clip the inland water into that area. Then you also clip the roads inside that area, and you clip the
Okay.
railways inside that area.
Okay.
Yes, so you have the United States boundary as a whole, and what you do is that you have to extract New York City from the whole of United States. How we get it?
Okay.
Now from New York, what you're going to do, you're going to clip the inland water into the New York boundary, the roads inside into the New York boundary, as well as the railways inside the New York boundaries. So
Okay.
with your map, you have the New York at this center here, with the roads, the inland water, and the railway all clipped inside here, and you have the whole of United States to at one side here. Then you indicate with these lines, and it show the grid coordinate of it with the north arrow and the scale bar.
Okay.
I hope you're okay with it.
Yeah. So since all of them are in zip, I just have to extract them first and then I'll do a clipping.
Yes, so each of them are in zip, so you have to extract them.
Okay.
Yes, you have to extract them and add all together.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
So now then we are done with the vector files in ArcGIS for now. Then the next one we're moving
Okay.
on to
The
the
raster.
raster files.
Okay.
Yes. So since tomorrow we are not meeting, you use maybe tonight and tomorrow to finish with that project. Then you
Okay.
can continue with the raster on Thursday.
On Thursday. Okay.
Okay. So we end today's letting here. Then continue on Thursday.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you very much too.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Sure. So I also send you the video so that
Yeah.
you can get it. Okay. So bye for now.
Okay. Have a safe journey back to campus.
Okay. Sure. Thank you very much. Okay.